Flat benches are essential equipment for any home or commercial gym, providing a sturdy and versatile platform for various exercises. These benches are typically designed with a wide, flat surface, offering stability and support during weightlifting, dumbbell presses, and bodyweight exercises. Their adjustable features allow users to customize the angle or height for different workout preferences. With a robust construction, these benches can handle heavy loads and endure rigorous training sessions. The comfortable padding and durable upholstery ensure a pleasant and safe workout experience. Users appreciate the simplicity and versatility of flat benches, making them suitable for a wide range of fitness levels and exercise routines. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced fitness enthusiast, flat benches offer a solid foundation for building strength, toning muscles, and achieving fitness goals. Hello and thank you for tuning into my channel. In today's video, we'll be showcasing the top flat benches in the market. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up to stay updated on my latest content. Without further ado, let's dive right in. The Grind Fitness brand has achieved an impressive 5th ranking in a comprehensive evaluation. This compact and lightweight weight bench weighs 24 pounds but boasts a total weight capacity of 610 pounds. Constructed with sturdy steel and a powder coat finish, it offers exceptional stability for all your home gym exercises. The bench's 3-post design ensures that the front leg won't obstruct your feet while benching. The back foot spans 21 inches to enhance bench stability, while the front foot measures 6.5 and features a rubber bottom for improved grip. The custom top vinyl keeps you securely in place during benching movements, promoting both performance and safety. Easy assembly is ensured with the top pad already bolted to the base. Grind Fitness takes pride in providing high-quality products and excellent customer service. Taking pride in its exceptional features, the Dono brand has secured the 4th position among our top-rated products. The DN315 flat bench boasts a special cellular PU leather cover, which offers superior breathability and a non-slip surface during exercise. Unlike folding benches, this fixed flat weight bench ensures stable and steady support. Additionally, assembly is a breeze, taking only 10 minutes. With a maximum weight capacity of 600 pounds, this workout bench is constructed with durable 14-gauge tubing and a long-lasting powder coat finish. It's a worthwhile investment for your home gym that will stand the test of time. The DN315 flat utility bench enables you to perform a wide range of exercises, including bicep curls, chest presses, bench presses, tricep dips, floor-to-bench planks, and push-ups, making it a versatile and functional workout equipment for achieving your desired body enhancements. Securing the 3rd position on our list of top-ranking products, the renowned Sunny Health and Fitness brand is dedicated to adding a touch of uniqueness to your home. Experience intense workouts with the Sunny Health and Fitness Power Zone Strength Flat Bench SFBH 6996. Packed with features, the Power Zone offers an impressive user weight limit of 550 pounds and includes a convenient dumbbell rack. For a complete strength training home exercise gym, pair it with the Sunny Health and Fitness Power Zone Power Cage or Squat Rack. With one of the highest max weight capacities for a home workout flat weight bench, the Power Zone allows you to push your gains further. The sturdy steel frame provides peace of mind and durability for even the most intense exercises. The 17-inch height allows easy mounting or seating, while the frame-mounted dumbbell rack ensures safe and convenient storage. The high-density 3-inch foam interior offers comfortable support during rigorous workout sessions. Constructed with durable material, this workout bench is easy to clean and built to withstand extreme workouts. When not in use, simply lift, tilt, and roll it away for easy storage or repositioning within your home exercise gym. To ensure a stable workout experience, the floor stabilizers compensate for uneven flooring, eliminating shaky or wobbly workouts. Claiming an impressive second position in our brand ranking, FLYBIRD has outperformed its competitors. With a focus on designing and producing high-quality benches for home gyms, FLYBIRD has proudly served over 150,000 customers in the past year, making it a reliable fitness partner. The FLYBIRD flat bench boasts a strong construction and excellent commercial quality steel, providing stability to support over 1,000 pounds. It is perfect for full-body workouts, including bench presses and dumbbell exercises, as well as for use with barbell racks and heavy weights. The bench's excellent welding ensures safety during use and guarantees its durability for years to come. Unlike flimsy alternatives, FLYBIRD does not compromise on materials, offering a reliable and long-lasting product. The bench requires no installation, eliminating problems like wobbling or missing screws. It is easy to fold and store under a bed or in a closet, making it ideal for small spaces and home gyms. With its 45.3-inch length, the bench accommodates different users and provides ample space for better stretching. The well-padded surface enhances comfort during workouts, while the high-quality PU leather resists wear and tear. It is sweat-proof and easy to clean, without any harmful pungent odor. The pin and spring lock mechanism ensure that the legs remain stable and secure, providing double security. The non-slip foot caps increase stability on uneven floors and can be adjusted by rotating them. Additionally, the inseparate support leg design avoids friction between the leg frame and the base, further enhancing the bench's stability and durability. Earning the top position on our list, the Marcy brand showcases unparalleled excellence with the SB10510 Marcy Flat Bench. Enhance your home fitness routines with this versatile bench, suitable for strength training exercises and free weights. The low-profile design features a 2.5-inch high-density foam backpad with boxed-upholstered construction for superior support. The large-diameter steel tubing is coated with a durable powder finish, ensuring long-lasting durability. When fully assembled, the bench measures only 44 inches x 19 inches x 17 inches, making it compact and space-efficient. With 2-inch x 4-inch square 14-gauge tubing, it can withstand a maximum weight capacity of 600 pounds. The Deluxe vinyl boxed upholstery provides 2.5 inches of high-density cushioning, keeping your body firm during workouts. Assembly is easy and quick, allowing you to engage in a wide range of exercises. Whether it's strength training, free weights, or crunches, this multi-purpose bench caters to various training routines. The bench's minimal footprint ensures it takes up minimal space, leaving room for your other equipment. Please note that the maximum user weight capacity for this flat bench is 300 pounds, excluding the weights. Your feedback on the flat benches is highly valued. We encourage you to share your thoughts and insights in the comments section, as it helps us improve our product. Thank you for taking the time to provide us with your valuable feedback.